mechanical giants that shape our woodlands. Witness 500 horsepower beasts tear through timber like paper. Experience engineering marvels that defy gravity. This isn't just about machines. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Welcome to Forest Tech Revolution. You know, folks, logging is tough work any time of year. But winter? That's a whole different ballgame. The cold seeps into your bones, the equipment fights back, and every turn is a gamble. But this guy on the skidder? He's got ice in his veins. He handles that TAF 690 like it's an extension of himself, dancing through the snow and ice. It's a beautiful thing to watch, and it reminds you what human skill and determination can achieve.
Voia pe aici, s-a bătut de la drum. Bă, cum v-am zis, curajos băiatul ăsta. Ia uitați aici. Dacă nu era acest.
Ugh, tree stumps. The bane of any landowner's existence. You could spend all day hacking away with an axe and still get nowhere. But hey, that's where the JCB3CX comes in. This baby's got the power to make quick work of any stump. Just watch it rip that sucker right out of the ground. No fuss, no muss. The Moorbark 30 RXL stands out in a crowded field of wood chippers. What sets it apart? It's the combination of raw power, a 1,050 horsepower engine, and intelligent design. The machine's ability to handle those dry fir logs with such ease speaks volumes about its capabilities. If you're looking for a workhorse that can tackle the toughest jobs, the 30 RXL deserves a place on your shortlist. You see those timber truckers in the Alps? Talk about an adrenaline rush. Those guys were practically glued to the cliffsides. And the roads? Forget about it. They were insane. Definitely not for the faint of heart. The MS661C, a symphony of power and precision. Even the mighty ash bows before its relentless blade. Each incision, a testament to its dominance, a masterpiece of engineering. The excavator is designed to tackle the toughest tasks, lifting stumps with a diameter of up to 39.37 inches. These roots, buried well below the surface, require significant effort and strength to unearth. This equipment demonstrates the reliable power of machinery aiding human labor.
Пониже бы его взять его. Главное, чтобы порвались. О, так, да, давай, вперед. Езжай вперед. Бедный трактор, а, ё-моё.
Hope you enjoyed this close-up look at the machines that keep our forests moving. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you're as pumped as we are. We'll catch you in the next video. More machines, more power. Witness the synergy of man and machine. This skilled lumberjack exemplifies modern forestry practices. Note the precise cuts, maximizing yield while minimizing environmental impact. Such efficiency is crucial for sustainable forest management. Looks like our friend, the Forza 650, is having a bit of a tough time. Now, I ain't no mechanic, but I know a thing or two about getting the best out of my equipment. That plow might be digging a bit too deep, or maybe the angle's not quite right. A little adjustment can go a long way, saving you time and money in the long run.
Kör mai tare traktori.
Now this DAC 665T, she's a beast, but even beasts have their limits. Ice in that differential coupling? Not a good mix. Gotta lighten the load, give those tires a fighting chance to grip. It's like trying to dance on a greased floor. You need that solid footing. The Kirovets K701, manufactured in St. Petersburg. Petersburg, Russia, is a heavy-duty tractor designed for large-scale agricultural and industrial applications. Featuring a powerful YMZ diesel engine and a robust transmission system, the K701 delivers exceptional pulling power. In this video, we observe the tractor's performance under challenging conditions, highlighting its traction, maneuverability, and stability. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. The Cat 521B Feller Buncher conquers freezing temperatures and snowy hills with its powerful 303 horsepower Cat C9 ACERT engine. Weighing 60,629 pounds, it remains stable on any terrain. Its 26.5 feet reach handles tall trees, and 35 inches ground clearance tackles obstacles. The hydraulic system ensures top performance even in the coldest weather. The Cat 521B is an unstoppable giant in the harshest winter. You see that stump grinder? Man, that thing's a beast. Imagine trying to dig that out with a shovel. No way! This machine just chews it up and spits it out. It's kind of like a giant wood chipper, but instead of branches, it eats stumps for breakfast. Pretty cool, huh? And it's way safer than using explosives, which they used to do back in the day. Well, now ain't that something? Talk about teamwork. You got the human and the horse working together like a well-oiled machine. See how gentle that horse is on the forest floor? No tearing things up, just a smooth, efficient operation. And you gotta love the quiet. No noisy engines to scare off the critters. That's what I call harmony in nature, folks. This is insane! The Albach Diamant 2000 is a beast. 790 horsepower, folks. It eats trees up to 90 centimeters thick for breakfast. And with its revolutionary rotor technology, this machine pumps out a mind-blowing 330 to 350 cubic meters of wood chips per hour. You want to talk efficiency? You want to talk power? This is it! If you're not confident in your abilities, leave it to the pros before your DIY project turns into a disaster.
Oh my god.
I understand that forestry work can be challenging, but this is just plain irresponsible. Felling a tree that close to houses and vehicles without any warning or safety measures is a recipe for disaster. Black splitter, with its cone-shaped design, stands out. Unlike traditional hydraulic splitters, it uses a rotating screw to draw the wood into the splitting cone, minimizing kickback and reducing the force needed. This translates to less strain on the machine and the operator, increasing the lifespan of your investment. For high-volume hardwood processing, it's a game changer. Red oak, known for its density and strength, can be a real challenge to split. But with this log splitter, it's a breeze. The hydraulic system exerts immense pressure, cleaving those tough logs into perfectly sized pieces with ease. This not only saves time and energy, but also ensures consistent results for any project, from firewood to woodworking. Oh boy, that truck's in a real pickle. Looks like they found themselves a mud bath. Those tires are spinning like crazy, but it's just digging itself deeper. A tracked vehicle or multiple tow cables with a low and slow pulling approach might be the most effective solution. How not to cut down a tree, or how not to hold a camera. This automated sawmill represents the pinnacle of modern lumber processing. Utilizing advanced sensor technology and precision-guided blades, the system optimizes each cut for maximum yield and minimal waste. Observe how the logs are seamlessly conveyed into the cutting chamber, where computer-controlled blades adjust in real time to the log's unique dimensions. This ensures consistent, uniform lumber, a hallmark of efficiency and quality. Looking to boost your thinning operations while minimizing your environmental impact? Check out the Cranman P25. This compact processor is a smart investment for any forestry professional. It's fuel efficient, easy to maneuver, and can handle trees up to 250 millimeters in diameter. Very cool, huh?